Hello guys, my name is John. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do a very quick video on the unboxing of this President Build 2 CB radio. Normally I don't like doing unboxing videos because there's tons of those videos around on YouTube, but I'm so excited about this radio that I want just to show you how nice and how tiny the radio is. I already use it. One of my friends just bought one and I use it, and I was so impressed on the little size and how good it works. That's very important also. So I'm gonna do uh, a real quick unboxing. Just remember that I'm doing a lot of changes. I'm taking the Midland 75 822 out of my car. Well, it's very portable. I take it with me almost every day. But I'm going to leave it over here at my apartment as a base because I'm going to be using that radio with my simplex repeater to test CV antennas, especially on handhelds, okay? Because that Midland comes with the port for an external speaker microphone. So it's going to be awesome, the setup, and you will see, okay? I'm gonna show you very quick the unboxing, and then at the end, a quick overview on the Amazon page for the radio so you can see some technical details about it, okay? See you soon. Okay, guys, just to give you a perspective, look at the size of the box. I mean, this is my pen. It's as tall as my pen. It's such a tiny box, and you will see all the info over here. And this is new. I have never seen this. You have all the information on the display over here on the back of the box. Okay, and let's open the radio. Very quick because I don't want this video to be very long. Let's put this aside. Okay. A nice sticker. A very nice instruction manual. President always sends you a very good instruction manuals, okay? And over here is the radio. Look at this tiny radio, guys. I mean, oh my God, it's so small. And this is one thing the only thing I didn't like, because I already checked it, is that the power cord comes like this, so you can connect it to your power on your car. But since I'm gonna be using this very portable, it's very easy to fix. I already have a CV power cord, and I'm gonna put two connectors over here, and it's a very easy fix, okay? But look how cool is this. It's the same as the Midland GMRS, the MXT 275. It's a quick release bracket, okay? Look how nice is the radio, and you just slide out the radio, And this was the selling point for me because, as you know, I don't like permanent installs on my car. So I can take this out of my car very easy. I can take it over here and use it as a base if I want, or use it on the field with a battery, whatever. Okay? And it's a very, very nice looking tiny radio. I mean, it's even smaller than my pen. Look at this. Okay, on the back, you have a port for an external microphone, and that's about it. Okay, comes with the quick release bracket. Let's see over here, all the hardware for installation. A regular bracket in case you want a permanent install on your car or whatever, and the president microphone, okay, which is an okay microphone. My friend has another microphone. I'm not sure how well this works, but you are gonna see because I'm gonna do a video when I'm ready to use it, and I'm gonna show you this guy working on the field and everything. But it's just awesome. So now I'm gonna have this on my car. I'm gonna move my Midland 75 A22 CB radio to my apartment. I'm gonna use it as base because the Midland on the microphone comes with a port for an external microphone, a speaker microphone. And I'm gonna use that port to use the bass with my simplex repeater. So now with this setup, I'm gonna be able to do a lot of testing on different antennas, and I'm gonna be showing you that, guys. Okay. So now I'm gonna go real quick to the Amazon page to show you some details on the radio, and thank and hang tight. I'll be back soon. Okay, if you follow the link I'm gonna leave in the description, you are gonna go to the Amazon page for the President Electronics Build 2 FCC Ultra Compact AM FM CB radio. Today it's $112, a really good price for this awesome little radio. I mean, it's tiny, powerful, and guys, President Electronics is a real good brand. Uh, the other one I used to have, the President McKinley, is by far the best CV I have had in my life. The quality of the construction, the quality of the comms, the features. I mean, Precision Electronics is a no-brainer to me. So real quick, you see the price over here, and you can scroll down and read all the details about it. There's gonna be suggestions on the antenna. This looks like a real nice President Electronics antenna. I'm gonna dig into it, and you will see reviews, almost 5 stars, and all the details. Look at the size. It's 3.94 by 402 by 0.98 inches. It's really tiny. And you can see the reviews at the end of the page over here. That's it, guys. Give it a try. You won't regret it. And thank you for watching, and I'm gonna make tomorrow a video of the install of this radio on my pickup truck. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you.